Fire Paan. It's time to sample one of India's most insane foods. A betel leaf concoction that is literally set on fire before being put into your mouth.
Paan, India's favorite psychoactive substance. Containing betel leaf, Paan has a strong stimulant effect and an even stronger herbal flavor. Here in Connaught Place in Delhi, there is a Paan Stall with a unique claim to fame. Fire Paan. The unique thing about this Paan Stall is that it's actually 3 Paan Stalls all in one. So which one do I choose? So why are there 3 Paan Stalls in one? And who actually owns this?
Each shop having their own owner. Government gave this thing to 3 Paan Walas.
3 Paan Walas.
Yeah.
So the government sponsors all you guys to be in here together.
Yeah.
So are you guys affiliated with each other in any way?
No.
No, just
No.
totally separate companies.
Yeah, we're totally separated.
So I like your stall because you got this epic Fire Paan
Yeah,
sign.
Fire Paan.
That is the best sign for Fire Paan. So is your Paan stall the best?
If I will ask you, are you best? You will say yes, I'm the best. So it's not matter that
It's
I'm saying. It's
opinion.
matter of opinion.
Yeah.
But my opinion is not matter because you are the customer. You have to judge who's the best.
All right, well the customer is always right, as they say. So how much Fire Paan do you sell every day?
Around 100.
100?
Yep.
100 Fire Paan.
Yep.
Not only normal Paan, but 100 Fire Paan.
Around
Even in summertime in this heat, I'm sweating right now, people still come here to get the Fire
No
Paan.
matter it's heat or it's winter, you will not feel the impact of fire even
Really?
for a microsecond.
Really?
Yep.
So it's totally safe, it's not gonna burn me?
If it will burn you, why you will come for having a fire pan?
So it's totally safe.
It's totally safe.
Nice. So you'll be putting it in my mouth?
Yeah, I'll put it.
I'll go as wide as possible.
No,
like
you
that?
need not to worry about it.
Like that?
No. You
Is that
need
good?
not to worry about it.
Luckily, before trying it myself, I had a chance to watch some local bros brave the Fire Paan.
Is this good? Good taste? Like smoke flavor? Fire flavor? It didn't burn? No burn? No pain?
No, nothing.
Totally safe?
That's it.
Okay, I feel a little bit scared. Don't be scared, don't be worried. Okay. I am all fired up to show you the exotic wonder of flaming Paan. So what are you putting on now?
First of all, we have put in some lime and katechu, some fragrance, and now we'll put some this thing. It's containing a rose petal. Dates,
Rose petal.
Rose petal
Dates?
Yeah, rose petal jam.
Next, he applies a layer of crushed ice and betel nut flakes. Then, the flammable powder, which I was assured was natural. Let's get some more of that stuff. I need some huge flames. Now it's time to light this baby up. Next, a generous swig of rose sugar syrup. And then he sticks his finger inside the flame, for some reason.
I'm ready for this fiery bite of Paan. Let's hope these aren't my famous last words.
I'm given a napkin in case any part of this juicy Paan decides to fall out of my mouth. And in it goes.
Oh my God. I can't speak, there's so much in my mouth. I can't even speak to you. There's so much going on right now in my mouth. It's so minty, so herbal. Oh, I can actually taste the fire. Like the flame almost licked the top of my mouth. It gave my brain like a shock reaction, like there was a flame actually inside my mouth. But as soon as my mouth closed over it, it choked out the flame and it was gone. It was cold because there's actually ice right underneath the fire. This is the craziest explosion of flavors I've ever had in my mouth. It has this weird gritty texture of all kinds of weird stuff like the betel nut flakes, pieces of betel leaf. I've even got that classic red spit now. That paan has an incredibly minty taste. The paan leaf just tastes minty.
The typical paan is mint, will give you a minty taste only.
Minty taste from the betel leaf.
Yeah, it's a kind of a mouth freshener, so it gives you a minty taste.
Yeah, it is a mouth freshener. It's a super minty, like cooling menthol, potent taste in my mouth. And that's also from the betel nut flakes, right?
Yep.
Paan is one of the most strange, exotic, herbal flavors I've ever tasted. Honestly, I had to spit that thing out because it always gives me a stomach ache every time I swallow down that betel leaf. He actually offered me yet another paan. This is chocolate paan, but I'm telling you, I can't take any more paan in my mouth right now. I'm all paaned out. I gotta find someone who wants this. Hey bro, do you want some chocolate paan? I got this for free. Okay bro, I gotta find someone to gift this chocolate paan to as I was nicely gifted it. Hey bro, you want some chocolate paan?
No, not really.
Anyone want some chocolate paan? No chocolate paan? Okay, we'll find someone. Chocolate paan? Chocolate paan chahiye? You want this chocolate paan? No? No? Hey guys, I was given this free chocolate paan. Do you want some chocolate paan? No. No? Baiji, chocolate paan? You want? Chahiye? No? No, we don't want. No? Baiji, chocolate paan chahiye? Chocolate paan? Oh, no paan for kids. No, no paan for kids. No paan for kids, but you are the correct age for paan.
Luckily, this old lady readily accepted my gift of chocolate paan.
Yes. I found someone to eat my paan finally. अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है? Ah. आप पसंद है? पसंद है. अच्छा. बहुत धन्यवाद. I'm here with my friend, the little would-be paan thief. And he didn't get his paan because he is not of age. And we do not give drugs to little kids. If you like this video and you want to see more of my epic adventures in India, be sure to subscribe to Source and Flow and smash that like button.